Okay, guys, I am baking in this hot Florida sun. Today, Quick Tip Tuesday is how to replace the knob if you have one of these Peak Design tripods, as well as these little clips. This is a little clip that allows you to extend the arm out. If you press it, it makes the arm longer. This has been broken, as you can see right there. And today, we're going to go ahead and replace that. So I got these parts from Peak Design. If you don't know, your Peak Design has a lifetime warranty, and before you go and chuck it or get rid of it, I suggest that you call Peak Design and see if there's anything that you can replace in terms of parts. In my case, I was able to get the replacement parts, and they did it for free. It was a no-hassle arrangement. Thing with Quick Tip Tuesday is I'm supposed to do everything in 2 minutes. So start that clock. Let's see if I can get this done in 2 minutes. If you just turn this out, just back it out left, righty tighty, lefty loosey, and I should just be able to put this new one in, and it should just work. So let's see. Just screw this in, turn it all the way in. Now it works. So I can unscrew this to bring it to the height I want, tighten it, and just press it in. One of these things is not like the other. Sesame Street, yeah. Okay, so I'm gonna replace this. See that? I guess taking this whole leg off. They actually sent a tool to help remove this. Make sure you don't lose that little washer that comes on there. After you've taken that screw out, and like I said, make sure that you keep the washer that it comes with and put that someplace where you won't lose it. Now that you've taken that side out, here, it's going to be a lot easier to remove this. But this piece has to be removed. You can just gently pull that out. Also, don't lose that. And then this leg comes off. Now the leg is off, you can see that there is like a pin in there. It actually takes a hex on top. They sent me this tool, so I'm going to use the tip of this tool here to remove this part because it's attached to a spring. There it is. So I'll remove the top of this. Now these are the replacements. They came with actually 3, although I only needed 1. Now I guess I'll have 2. I have another one for later. Just as that's lined up like that, try to put it back the same way. So if this is your, we'll go here like that. Now I'm going to put this spring back in. There it is. And some people are wondering, how tight do I tighten this thing? Well, I'm just as soon as I'm screwing it in until I start to feel some resistance, and I'm stopping right there. I'm really not tightening that too much. I don't have a torque wrench or anything for that. So now I'll go ahead and put this back together. Slide that in. It's a little loose. I like to tighten mine so it's a little firm like this one. So I'll tighten this up some more. Yeah, nice. And there you go. If you want to extend that leg, now it works. Whew. And there you have it. It's all assembled again. You get your knob working in and out. You have your clips. Get a fresh, brand new tripod. Thank you, Peak Design, for sending me all the parts, replacement parts. And that's it. Get out there and do some shooting. Catch you in the next one.